Immediately, they go to Ralier. Ang kapatid ni Ronde. Dalawang tira, nagmintis, but Brandon is there to clean it up.
And that is how important BGR is in this. From, I think our last play date is August 12. Ang resumption natin, October 7 na.
14 ang last
14
play
ang
date.
last day.
Yung Adose, nice defense on the part of Balanza and Junicio. Aris on the run dito sa kabila, trying to feed Tirel. Nice shovel back to Aris.
Makabalik na rin daw siya next game. Wala rin bigay si Gio ang bohot para sa Titan. Para kay Coach Renzi, he hopes that they duplicate their shooting efficiency kontra sa Macau.
Rosser looking around. Mambata puts it on the deck, goes to the spin. Stingray. Balanza loses control. Nice hustle by Cobontin. Pogoy to Stingray. Back-to-back hits para kay Mambata. And TNT has now built a 5-point lead. And the rest of Titan Ultra dahil itong TNT nagsimula ng tumakbo dito sa Montalban. Nagbabalik na yung mga weapon ni Coach Chot para dito sa TNT as Tyrell Brown comes up with a reverse.
I think they have to understand that. They scored a total of 132 against Macau. But in the entire conference, they're the worst in terms of points allowed. 120 ang ginigive up nila. They have to limit a team like TNT who's still trying to get their bearings back to just one shot and even transition defense. That's not the fastest transition attack that we've seen in defense. Take a look at that. Napakadali. There's a wide open lane. He was able to take advantage of that one, putting Havillonar on the side.
Nung unang magkita ang TNT at itong Titan, TNT took the first quarter 31-17. Pero no second quarter, Halalon directing traffic. TNT whipping it around. Gio ends up with it again. Fakes the pass, now kicks it over. Jordan extra down low. Baseline jumper. Brandon delivers.
The perimeter.
Parang mapiya lang yung ating score ngayon, 20-10. Ooh, Tyrell with a nice sidestep reverse. Lapat ng katawan niya, biglang pakikita.
Kaya niya.
Finish moves, you know? Brandon again. Aurin with the offensive rebound. Brandon to the cup. Natagaan ni Sahonia down low. Ular over to Sumang on the run. Roy for three. Punches it through.
Just supreme confidence for Roy Sumang.
Sumang trying to pick up where he left off. He's coming off a 14-point performance kontra sa Macau. Hollis Jefferson from straight away.
Tawagan sa bumantay sa kanya. But this is a good shot and good setup job first by Gio Halalon.
Hindi nga lang pumasok yung dress niya. Nakita niyo, malapat-lapat. Dito muna ako.
Oh, baka hindi ko maiusog to. Tirahan ko na lang sa labas.
Jordan heading, showing him how it's done.
Which allowed itong ang kanilang import to have an unmolested shot from the free throw line. And
Heading, working against Sumang. He spins away from him. Jordan inside, scoops it up. Kumapit naman.
grabe kanan pa ginamit. He was totally out back. 29 happening here in the first quarter alone as we take a look at once again an off-balance shot by Jordan hitting, but it still counts for 2 points. A big guy. He's fast. He does not lag behind in terms of speed, and he controls the boards. So unti-unting bumabalik. Basket.
Babasa 10 ang abante ng tropang 5G. Halalon di diskarte, kaharap sa Sonia. They go to the right side. Aurin rings the bell.
Oh, there was one game.
With that 3-point line, this Governor's Cup. As Caralipio will back bodies with Jordan. Nice jumper para dito kay King.
For as long as you make a basket ng TNT, at least bumaba sa 11.
Galinato over to Halalon. Sinausaw pa bago pinapektus.
Tama.
Gio yan.